So sometimes most people wonder, how do they do it? Like, if you have two channels, is it that you're going to create a different AdSense account, or is possible to use your already existing account? I'm here to answer that question, and also to show you how you can link your second YouTube channel to your first AdSense account. Now, the thing you have to understand is, if you already have a channel and you've gone through all the monetization process and your channel is monetized, now if you open a second channel, you wouldn't need another AdSense account. Yes, you can actually just link your second YouTube channel to your already existing AdSense accounts that you're using with your first channel. Now, I'm also going to break this down in a simple form that you understand, because I'll be carrying a long step-by-step tutorial on how you can do and achieve this. Now, another thing you should also know is that, for example, your minimum threshold, okay, for like monthly payout is $100. So that's the minimum you can actually withdraw from YouTube. Now, the good thing about having like two channels is that you don't have to make $100 each on these channels for you to be able to withdraw your $100. So if one channel makes like $50 and the second channel makes $50, you are good to go. You can actually receive your $100 payments, because these both revenues are going to go into one AdSense account. So you use one AdSense account for your two YouTube channels. So I'm just going to show you how you can do this, how you can link your second YouTube channel to your already existing AdSense account. So without wasting time, okay, subscribe to this channel, like this video for more helpful videos like this, and let us get right into this video. Let me show you how you can do that. So this is what my end page looks like here. So I'm just going to zoom in to show you further. So I'm going to click on this apply button. Yes, because we're going to apply to become a YouTube partner. Now it takes you to this page where you have to review your base terms. So this is basically like the terms and conditions of becoming a YouTube partner. So you read through it. Most people do not do that though. And you're going to check this box that says I accept the base terms. Okay. Now once this box is ticked, this accept icon is going to pop up. Click on the accept icon, and it's going to load for a while, then take you to this page. Now you can see that the first tick has been checked, like the first step has been checked, meaning that you've read the terms and condition and also accepted. Now the second step is to sign up for your Google AdSense account. Okay, one thing you need to understand about this Google AdSense account is that Google only allows one account per person. So if you want to create a different AdSense account, you will need to use a different identity information to create it. But in this case, okay, we are actually linking our second channel to an already existing account, which is the AdSense account that is associated with our first channel. Now the next thing to do is to click on this start icon. Yes, you're going to click on the start icon, and it's going to take you to the next page where you have to link your already existing account to your channel. Now this is the option that's going to pop up. Yes, you're going to click on the first option, which says yes, I have an already existing AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account. Okay, so once you click on that one, it's going to pop up this next option. So you're going to click on the next option, and it's going to take you to this other page. Now it's going to take us to the next page. Okay, we're going to choose the email that is associated with your first YouTube channel. That is the email you use in creating your first AdSense account. Now once you click on the email address, it's going to load and take you to this next page. Now here you're going to see continue with these accounts. You have already linked to an already existing Google. So you're going to swipe up and you're going to click on continue. Now once you click on continue, it's going to take a while to load before taking you to the next page. Now here you're going to click on set up accounts. Once you click on set up account, it's also going to take you to this next page. Now here you don't have to do anything. You're just going to let it be, and it automatically redirects to YouTube. Now once you get to this page, you don't need to do anything as well. Just let it be, and it will load, and you can see that the second tick has been checked. Okay, meaning that you've successfully linked your Google AdSense to your second channel. Now the third one is where YouTube will get to review your YouTube channel to make sure that your videos are in line with their policies for monetization. Okay, so they go through all your videos, thumbnails, everything that is on your channel and processes it and make sure that you don't have any content that would, deprive you of getting monetized. So once you do that, you're going to see this message pop up on your end page, meaning that you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. So I was so excited when I saw these emails and all these congratulations messages, and I was so excited and glad that it has finally happened. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something in today's video. Please, if you did like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and I'm going to see you in one of the videos on your screen. Bye.